I knew that as time goes by, sometimes our power button stops working. We go to press it and it's really hard. If that's your case, we're going to explain 3 ways to turn your device off, on, restart, or put it into emergency call mode. 3 very easy and quick ways that can get you out of any app. Let us know in the comments how our video went and if you liked our tutorial. As we've mentioned, it's very normal that as our phone ages, it often happens that our button stops working correctly. Sometimes we lose track of the button and then we start pressing it. If you're experiencing these frustrations, we're going to explain it step by step. Step number 1 is very easy because almost 90% of phones have this function. We pull down the notifications and we have this little button here, which is the power button. That would be method number 1, which almost all phones have. But let's say, okay, my phone doesn't have that button. Let's move on to step number 1. Step 2. This is something any phone, any brand, any model has. You'll be able to find this function. What we're going to do is go to Settings. Here in Settings, we're going to locate it. We're going to go to Settings here, Settings, and we're going to wait for it to focus properly. We're going to the last options here. We're going to select this option that says General. We're going to look for General. We're going to locate it. No, General doesn't appear here, so we're going to look. Oh, sorry, here below General, I'm not seeing it well. Accessibility, which every phone has. We're going to select Accessibility now, and now. We're going to look here for Accessibility menu. Now, Accessibility menu doesn't appear. Or then you'll see this here that says Actions. We're going to select this there. In some cases, it appears here as it says a menu. Assistance menu. That's the assistant feature. We're going to enable this, and an icon will appear. You might see a question mark here too. It's the same thing. Don't worry. Now what we're going to do is this. We're going to press it here. If you see that there are 2 options, we're going to roll it to one side. Here we'll be able to find this option, which is the power button, restart button, or emergency call button. If you can't find this option, let's go to step 3. What is step 3? We're going to go to the Play Store and find it. We're going to select this power off option. Let's see, let's configure it. We click here on OK. Now we're going to click here. We'll see here. Here we can find it. Yes, here it is. We enable this option. We enable this one. Okay, we go back. Let's see which one is next. I think that's it. We go back again. We give this second permission. Here we can see that now. Every time we tap the button, it will turn off. We just tap OK, and the same settings will appear.